We've come together to lead because we believe everyone matters. This is not a number game or real life on social media. It is about our people's livelihood, and that is our driving force. The highest calling of leadership is the growth and development of our people. Individual successes are important, but winning together is even sweeter. That is what keeps our leadership team awake at night. Referrals from clients are our greatest compliment, and this is why we carry out trainings that enables our people to be professional and ethical, yet bringing value to our clients. One key factor to our success is speed. Our technology enables us to do things faster and achieve better synergy. With our latest mobile apps, our people get the unfair advantage to be ahead and run faster. We are fully diversified in all areas of real estate. Our people has ample opportunities to train their fundamentals through on-job trainings, leveraging on team's expertise, synergies, and resources to stay ahead in this fast-evolving market. One can run fast alone, but running faster and further requires teamwork. And this is how we create successful and sustainable business model. We work hard and play hard together. Trust is what holds our team together, and fun is what keeps us thriving. This is the way of our family. Well, the three of us have served several duties together in SAF. I was the first to leave the SAF and venture into real estate, followed by Dennis and Dang.
It was a natural thing for the both of us to join Alex. We had the same belief in creating a team that is based on trust and believing that every associate is unique and not just a number in the team. Alex took up the role of leading the team and supported by Dennis and myself, who anchors the residential and non-residential segments respectively.
I'll say it's absolute trust. It's like fighting alongside a comrade during a battle, and you have to trust that this comrade will support you and protect you in difficult times. Well, our training programs are outcome-driven to help newbies to create at least a 60K per annum income. Thereafter that, to train them to produce more than 10K per month. We are not here to create a false belief that everyone who joins us can make a lot of money instantly. We do not believe in numbers game. We believe everyone is unique and requires customized training so that each of them can find their niche and produce consistent results of their own.
We conduct interviews for those who want to join us, allowing both sides to have a better understanding of each other's beliefs, thinking, and cultures first. As much as we want to recruit as many as possible, we prefer an upfront approach so that both sides know each other and we can complement each other before we commit to partnering together in this real estate journey.
Well, we are fully diversified and experienced in every segment of the residential and non-residential real estate industry. Experienced agents can find many opportunities to hone their existing expertise, yet able to leverage on other subject matter experts in the team to explore other opportunities in other segments that he or she might not be familiar with.
I am Simon Yeo, the Executive Director of Honesty and Thai. Honesty is a full-fledged real estate company. We provide many services to our agents, such as investment, en-bloc overseas properties, commercial, business space, and so forth and so on. We even provide a very insightful market report to all our agents and their customers. Alex is a person with discipline, never say die character and attitude. This is the part where I like him the most, because whenever I pass him a task, he will always fulfill and overperform. I'm quite amazed with the work that he has done with his people. My advice to all agents is to get the right mentor, because a good mentor will be able to guide you along and to be very successful in the industry.
I'm seeing more and more resale agents from Alex's group making headway in project marketing. This is a very good sign for our projects, obviously, as projects provide many opportunities to cross-sell, and it's a very dynamic, very fun and rewarding segment to focus on. As a project IC for some of our key sites, I'm very glad that he's able to influence his agents to work on projects and benefit greatly from this segment.
I am excited to welcome Alex Grow Division to AAG. When I first met Alex 8 years ago, I was already impressed with his negotiation skill.
Well, I've known Lester for about 8 years by now, and I've always admired his passion in developing the best tools for his associates. whereas our passion lies in the development of our people and delivering the best solutions for our client.
Years later, he is now a successful project IC, a powerful tagger, a proven mentor, and I personally see a great potential in him. And I know one day he will head a big team.
Alex Goh Associate, or AGA, is a division that focuses on delivering results and characterized by our fully diversified portfolio, customized training, and people-centric and strength-based culture. And AAG provides the platform and tools to allow us and our associate to grow bigger, better, and faster. How can AAG help you and me? Being a good salesperson requires multidisciplinary skill set and tools, and we are often limited by time. And AAG Instant Pro allows us to achieve more with less time. And for leaders, it also provides a multidisciplinary ecosystem that answers to our associates' training needs and provides diverse business opportunities to our agents. And who are we looking for? We are looking for fun-loving, hungry and driven individuals who are looking for personal sales breakthrough or looking for a family to grow with. As a project IC to several key sites, we are also actively looking for project agents and leaders to help us to expand our presence in project marketing.
Call Alex.